to discuss Brahmaputra river system right now. Okay, yes, Brahmaputra river system, we completed Ganga river system, right? Yeah, next Brahmaputra. Okay, it is also perennial river. Okay, this is the notes enough for you guys. I made it the notes enough for your exam point of view. Okay, yeah, it is about the largest glaciers where Manasa Sarovar Kailas range. Okay, it is originate the Manasa Sarovar Kailas range. Okay, I did discuss the ranges, okay, passes and hilly areas in the previous year, previous session of my videos. There is a India geographical features. Okay, yeah, Manasa Sarovar where Kailas range, which is the Chemgyang glaciers, the Brahmaputra river originate. Okay, it is the countries followed by the the river which is follow the countries are India, Bangladesh and Tibet. Okay, yes, Tibet is included in China. Yeah, just look into here. This is the map of Brahmaputra river. Okay, where it is Tibet Kailas range. Kailas range, Manasa Sarovar. Okay, Manasa Sarovar is the place. Manasa Sarovar is the place, Kailas range. Okay, Brahmaputra river, which is can flow throughout the Tibet, China, and reach Nepal, Bangladesh through India, where enter here Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, and finally they reach Bangladesh. This is Tibet, this is India, this is Bangladesh. Brahmaputra river flows three countries. Okay, three countries where Kailas range, they don't follow the Nepal. Brahmaputra river don't follow the Nepal. Ganga river follow the Nepal. Of course, there is a names or a different names in Tibet and India and Bangladesh. Okay, yeah, we are going to look into this Brahmaputra river. Yeah. Okay. Yes, this is the range Manasa Sarovar. Manasa Sarovar. Kailas range. Brahmaputra origin. Okay. Yeah. Guys, just look into here. This is the Nepal border. Nepal border. This is Tibet, China. Brahmaputra, they can flows in the China, Tibet. We can call it as Erlang Jangbo. Erlang Jangbo. There is a name, China name. Okay, we can call this Sangpo. Sangpo, China name in the Tibet. What the name we can call Brahmaputra in the Tibet is Sangpo. Okay, Sangpo. Okay, after that they can Lepcha, they can reach, finally they can reach in Arunachal Pradesh. There is a river, other rivers are Subansiri, Lohit are the tributary of Brahmaputra. Teesta also tributary of Brahmaputra. Okay, Sumera also there is a Brahmaputra river tributary. Okay, Barak river also, this is the Barak river guys. This is also certain system of eastern state. Barak river also most important river in the eastern state guys. Okay, this is the Barak river. Okay, Subansiri, Lohit. Lohit, they can from the Manipur, they can reach Lohit, Brahmaputra, Subansiri, okay, Teesta river. Okay, these are the tributary of the Brahmaputra. We are going to discuss detailed discussion about Brahmaputra river. Okay, yes. Yeah. Yeah, Brahmaputra. Tibet we can call Tsangpo. In the Tibet in the Tibet, Brahmaputra, we can call T Sangpo. There is another name, Erlang Sangpo. There is another name, Erlang Sangpo. They can flow as eastward 1100 kilometers. Finally, they can reach Arunachal Pradesh, India, okay, eastern, they enter Dihang gorge, we can call Dihang, Siang or Dihang in India, okay, Sangpo in China, Tibet, Dihang we can call in India. In India, Brahmaputra we can call Dihang, where it is enter in the eastward gorge. Okay, yeah, Assam, it is known as Brahmaputra. We can call in the, if it is enter Arunachal Pradesh, Brahmaputra enter Arunachal Pradesh, there is a name Dihang. After Arunachal Pradesh, it can be reached Assam, right? In the Assam, we can call it as Brahmaputra. Okay, Brahmaputra, if it is enter into the Assam, we can call Brahmaputra. Until that, there is a Arunachal Pradesh, there is a name Dihang. This kind of questions they can ask you. Okay, yes. And flow as eastward, cross Assam Valley. Bangladesh, it is called Jamuna. Bangladesh, it is called Jamuna. Guys, yeah, T Sangpo in Tibet, China. Okay, yeah, Dihang, okay, Dihang in call Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, and Brahmaputra called in Assam. Okay, Jamuna we can call Jamuna in the call Bangladesh. They can ask you questions, guys. Okay, there are 4 names, T Sangpo or else Erlang Sangpo, and Dihang or Siang, in Arunachal Pradesh. Brahmaputra we can call in Assam, and Jamuna, okay, Jamuna we can call in Bangladesh. This Jamuna meet Jamuna plus Padma. Padma, who Padma? Ganga Padma, okay, sorry. We can call Meghna. Padma, Jamuna together, if they meet, after that we can call Meghna. Okay, these names are relevant to the Brahmaputra river, guys. They can ask you the names match the following, guys. They did ask in the previous year questions. They did ask in the PYQs questions. That's why I made it, guys. Most important, the names of courses of Brahmaputra in different regions. Okay, based on that previous year questions, I made the notes, guys. Okay, yes. Major tributaries of Brahmaputra in India. Brahmaputra, it can be flowed in China and Bangladesh, right? There are tributaries are there, India tributaries in India, tributaries are there in China. Okay, yeah, in India, what are the tributaries in India? Right bank tributaries in India, that is Arunachal Pradesh. From Arunachal Pradesh, Subansiri is the first tributary. It is important for coming exam, guys. Subansiri, the largest right bank tributary, it is known as hydroelectrical power, guys. Coming is one of the tributary. First one is Subansiri, second one is Coming, third one is Manas. Manas is originate in Bhutan, important for the Manas Tiger Reserve, which is UNESCO heritage site, one of the tributary of Brahmaputra. It is originate at Tibet. There is a Manas Tiger Reserve is there. Okay, This is important for exam point of view, guys. Okay, yes. And Shankosh also one of the tributary of Brahmaputra. Dhansiri also one of the tributary of Brahmaputra, okay, which is Nagaland, Assam. Dhansiri is they can flow in Nagaland and Assam. These are the main tributary of Brahmaputra, guys. I hope you guys understand this Brahmaputra river system, Brahmaputra tributaries. Okay, yes. B. In India, left bank tributaries. Okay, right bank tributaries are that, left bank tributaries are what? Okay, yeah. Burhi, Dihang, Dhansiri is north, Kalang, Lohit is important. Lohit is important. Flow from east to Arunachal Pradesh. Lohit also important tributary. Okay, Dibang, okay, merges with Lohit and Siang near Sadia to form Brahmaputra. This is important. This is important. Okay, Dibang where we can call in Arunachal Pradesh. Brahmaputra we can call Arunachal Pradesh as Dibang. That is meet Lohit, okay, and Siang, that is merges with Lohit and Siang near Sadia. Okay, Dibang place, okay, Lohit place Siang. Okay, these three together, if it is enter in Assam, they can enter in Assam, we can call Brahmaputra. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Dibang in Arunachal Pradesh, this is in Arunachal Pradesh, okay, they enter into the Assam, okay, we can call, okay, Brahmaputra. Yeah, there are certain rivers from the Bangladesh, okay, tributaries, Bangladesh, Teesta, most important tributary, Teesta joins Jamuna in Bangladesh, major source of Indo-Bangladesh water sharing. This is important, guys. There is a news come across many times. There is a Teesta river water disputes between India and Bangladesh. Teesta river disputes between India and Bangladesh. Okay, especially Bay of Bengal, Bangladesh. There is a Teesta river water sharing. Teesta river is one of the tributary of Bangladesh located in Bangladesh, located in Bangladesh, okay, not West Bengal, okay, yeah. Etrai and Jaldaka also one of the tributaries of Brahmaputra river, guys. I hope you guys understand this, okay, yes. And the next, states covered. Brahmaputra river, what are the states covered? Okay, of course, it is originate Tibet, China as a T Sangpo, which is enter Arunachal Pradesh, Dihang, okay, joined by Dibang with Lohit, okay, Dibang, and enter into the Assam valley as Brahmaputra, They can reach West Bengal with the many districts like, okay, after finally they can reach Bangladesh as Jamuna, merges with Padma to form Meghana, finally reach Bay of Bengal. This is Brahmaputra. Highly like terrain area, highly hilly area, highly dense forest area, highly rainfall area. Okay, high rainfall. They can ask you any form. Which one of the following river is located high rainfall area? High rainfall, high dense forest, high hilly area, Okay, yeah. These are the extreme conditions of the Brahmaputra river characters. Okay, yes. Yeah, important physical features of Brahmaputra river. Important physical features of Brahmaputra river. What are the Brahmaputra plain where Assam, alluvial soils, fertile soil, flood prone area. Okay, this is important, guys. Majuli Islands, Majuli Island in Assam, there is a world largest riverine island. Okay, this is the most important island in the Brahmaputra river they can made in the Assam, guys. Majuli Island. Brahmaputra gorge is there, Arunachal Pradesh, which is deepest gorge of the world. This is also important. Okay, yeah. Sundarban Delta, along with the Ganga river, Brahmaputra river, they can create a Sundarban Delta, which is largest delta. These are the important physical features relevant to the Brahmaputra. Okay, yes, I hope you guys understand. Yes. And the religious importance, cultural importance of Brahmaputra. Kamakya temple, Gauhati. Okay, Brahmaputra river, they can flow Kamakya temple, Gauhati. Okay, yeah, Nilcha hills near Brahmaputra. Guys, mostly temples and religious reforms like cultural activities took place where the river banks, okay, Brahmaputra river. Okay, yeah, Umanda temple located in Peacock Island. They can ask you which one of the following. Peacock Island located in. Peacock Island located almost the Assam, guys, Gauhati. Arunachal Pradesh, Tawang Monastery near tributaries, Bangladesh famous river festivals are took place, guys. Okay, this is important. Peacock Island. They can ask you Peacock Island, where it is located. We don't have heard, right? Peacock Island. Of course, this is a location in the Gauhati, Assam. Okay, related to the Brahmaputra. Yeah, this is important for exam point of view, guys. Most important because of rich biodiversity also. Rich biodiversity. Relevant to the Brahmaputra river. Brahmaputra river create rich biodiversity. Mean huge forest, dense forest, hilly areas, almost, yeah, everything is satisfaction for the biodiversity, right? So in that way, there is a rich biodiversity is located in Brahmaputra range. Okay, yeah, most important for exam point of view, guys. Guys, did you observe? I am teaching for river system. At the same time, I am covering 360 degrees all our topics like river states, tributaries, along with there is a physiographic structures and there is a wildlife sanctuaries, about temples, major towns, and what are the areas around the river I am covering, right? This is the preparation strategy, guys. If I teach river only itself about river, it is not a like perfectness for the competitive exams. They can ask you any kind, they can ask you any form. Okay, yep. In that way, I did made the notes, guys. Okay, yes. And if come to the Kaziranga National Park, Kaziranga National Park is located at Assam. Okay, Brahmaputra river, where it is flows, Kaziranga National Park. Okay, yes, it is famous for the one-horned rhinos. This is important for exam. Kaziranga National Park speciality is to protect the species where one-horned rhinos are located. Okay, yeah, where Brahmaputra floodplains is located. Okay, Kaziranga National Park. Manas National Park, this is also in the Assam. Manas National Park, this is also located in the Assam. Okay, Manas is tributary which is UNESCO World Heritage Network. Manas is the it is also river which is located in Assam. Okay, which is, yeah, park also based on Manas river, Manas National Park. Manas National Park, which is comes under UNESCO World Heritage Site. Okay, this is also important. This is also important for exam point of view. And Dibru-Saikhowa National Park, Dibru-Saikhowa National Park in Assam. This is also in Assam. It is near Dibrugarh, okay, Tunikia, important wetland. Okay, there is a Ramsar wetland. Ramsar conservation wetlands are there in India. 54 wetlands are there as of now. You have to come across Ramsar wetland list. Recently, how many? 4 are added in the Ramsar wetland site, guys, in India. This is important. My video is there in the Chandu Biology, Ramsar sites in India. You have to be follow recent included list also I added in the video. Guys, you have to listen that video. That is most important. There is a question from the Ramsar wetland sites. Sure, make sure question. You have to come across that video. That will help you guys. Okay, yes. And Orange National Park, Orange, okay, Orange National Park, known as Mini Kaziranga. They can ask you which one of the following is known as Mini Kaziranga. Manas, okay, like Kaziranga, like Orange National Park is known as Mini Kaziranga National Park, which is also located in Assam based on Brahmaputra river system. Okay, yes. And yeah, Pobitora Wildlife Sanctuary, it is also Assam, Pobitora Wildlife Sanctuary, which is high rhino density near Brahmaputra banks. All over this is the wildlife relevant to the Brahmaputra river system. First one is Kaziranga National Park, second one is Manas National Park, which is UNESCO World Heritage Site. Kaziranga National Park, it is famous for one-horn rhinos. Dibru-Saikhowa National Park, Assam, okay, and Orange National Park, Mini Kaziranga also comes under Assam, and Pobitora Wildlife Sanctuary, which is rhinos density area. I hope you guys understand this all over the wildlife about Brahmaputra river. Okay, yep. Next, hydropower projects. Subansiri Dam, okay, Arunachal Pradesh, most important. Teesta River between the India and Bangladesh, most important, guys. Okay, Dihang Dam, largest planned dam in India, hydropower plant. Okay, India's hydropower like planned projects are there in this, guys, Subansiri and Dibang and Teesta projects. This is also important for coming exam, guys. Okay, this is projects also important based on river projects, Brahmaputra river project. They can ask you project name. Teesta project, which is based on river, Ganga, Indus, Brahmaputra and Kaveri. Okay, Brahmaputra river, guys, Teesta river. Okay, such a questions they can ask you. Okay, yep. Next, previous year question based on points. I made points based on previous year questions. Okay, based on that I did make a point, certain points. Largest riverine island is Majuli, Brahmaputra. Largest riverine island is the actually island created by ocean seas, right? Mainly islands are created certain mainland, which is we can call island, created by oceans or seas. But one of the river also created island, that is the island is Majuli Island. Okay, yes. And river with highest sediment in India, Brahmaputra. This is also important. Okay, river can carry water, right? River can carry water like through the mainland for the like fertile soil, and river carry along with water sediments. Sediment mean there is a like, okay, dust water, sediments. Most sediment created by which river? Brahmaputra river. This is also important for coming exam. Okay, coming exam, this is also important, guys. Okay, yes. And which tributary flows Bhutan into Brahmaputra, Manas. Which tributary? From Bhutan to Brahmaputra. Okay, Manas originate Bhutan. Manas originate at Bhutan, and they can flow into the Brahmaputra, guys. This is important. Bhutan, Manas originate at Bhutan. Finally, they can reach Brahmaputra. Okay, yes. Which project is Subansiri? The lowest Subansiri hydroelectric lower Subansiri project. Brahmaputra joins Ganga at Goland, Bangladesh, Jamuna and Padma. Delta formed Sundarban Delta. Okay, Brahmaputra create a delta, Sundarban Delta. Brahmaputra create a island called Majuli Island. This is most important for exam point of view, guys. Okay, yes. Summary for exams. Names. Okay, Sangpo, Dihang, Brahmaputra, Jamuna, Padma, finally Meghana. Tributaries, right bank tributaries, Subansiri, Manas, Kameng, Sankosh. Left bank tributaries, Lohit, Dibang, Dhansiri and Burhi. States they can follow Tibet, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Bangladesh. In India, 2 states only. Important is it is fertile land and largest delta, cultures and temples and biodiversity hotspots also there. Okay. Important rivers of northeast in India. Guys, Brahmaputra river is completed. Brahmaputra river is completed. The Brahmaputra river system is completed. Almost I covered all points. We will discuss MCQs and their solutions in a sessions classes after complete the whole chapter. Okay, I will make at least 100 to 200 MCQs, guys. Okay, we will discuss the solution wise MCQs and solutions and topic also based on solutions. Okay, yeah. Right now, Ganga river and Brahmaputra river is completed, and eastern states, eastern 7 sister states also there. There are certain rivers. Yeah, the trends recently they did ask the eastern state rivers, guys. In that way, I did make a notes and I will explain it. Eastern river system. Okay, yeah. That is eastern river system, mainly Brahmaputra river system and Barak river system. Barak is the most important river system. Barak river system is also eastern river system. We know like Ganga river system north, we know Brahmaputra river system east, and there is a Barak river system where there our eastern state located. Okay, yes. So Barak river system is Manipur, they originate, Mizoram they can flow, Tripura they can flow, southeastern Assam they can flow, 4 states. Other states, Nagaland and Meghalaya, Sikkim also small important rivers also there. We will going to discuss it. We will going to discuss it. Okay. Brahmaputra, as we know where it is origin, where it can be flow, what is northeast tributaries, left bank tributaries, and special features of Brahmaputra we did complete, guys. Okay, yes. Barak river system, we have to look into this Barak river system. Okay, yeah, Barak river system mainly they can flow in Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, Assam, Tripura. These are the easternmost like states, guys. Easternmost states, 7 states. Okay, yes. They origin Barak river system. Barak river origin at Manipur Hills. Manipur Hills. Okay, yeah. So it is course through the Manipur, Mizoram, Assam. Okay, valleys. Finally, they can reach Meghana. Meghana mean in the Bangladesh. Meghana mean in the Bangladesh. Okay. Length 900 kilometers. This is Barak also. There are certain tributaries. Barak river also certain tributaries which are Jiri, okay, Dhavaleshwari, Sonali, Sonai, Kathakal, okay, Kathakal, and there is important lifeline of Barak Valley is Silchar in Assam. This is important. Okay, Silchar Valley in Assam related to which river? Barak. Which river? Barak. Okay, yes. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Okay, I will give you geography very best. Okay, for exam point of view, guys. Okay, you no need to worry. I will give you my best strategic plans about notes and MCQs relevant to the exam. Either from the UPS to ground level state exams. Everything it can be possible to handle. Okay, yeah. Yeah. So, in the Barak river system, after that there is a river Manas. There is a river, eastern state river Manas, most important river. Manas is the most important. Where? Bhutan. Manas origin where? Bhutan. Okay. Where it is origin? Himalayas, Bhutan. Manas. Okay. Yeah. Tributary of Brahmaputra, it is one of the tributary of Brahmaputra. It is joined in Assam. Wildlife is Manas Tiger Reserve, UNESCO World Heritage Site. Okay. Next, northeastern tributary, which is river system, which is Subansiri. Subansiri, Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. It is origin at Himalayas, Tibet. Okay. It is also tributary of Brahmaputra. Okay. It is major hydroelectrical power potential is there. Okay. The lower Subansiri is the dam, biggest hydro project in India. Okay, this is important, guys. Okay, yeah, I hope you guys understand this. Next, Teesta river, this is important. Teesta river, which is like Puhiri glaciers, Pahunsri glaciers, Sikkim. It is coursed through the Sikkim, West Bengal and Bangladesh. Sikkim, West Bengal and Bangladesh. Okay, Sikkim state, guys. Sikkim state. First river come from Sikkim state. First river is Teesta river. The best place, Sikkim is the most beautiful state in the India, guys. Okay, Sikkim is, there is a like very like environmental friendly state. Friendly state, guys, Sikkim. Okay, yeah. Tributary of Brahmaputra, Teesta river. It is dispute India and Bangladesh. Okay, water sharing. Okay, I hope you guys understand. Teesta is originate from Sikkim, flow into the Brahmaputra as a tributary into the Bangladesh. Yeah. Dibang river, Arunachal Pradesh. Dibang river, Arunachal Pradesh. Where it is originate? Mishmi Hills. Mishmi Hills, eastern Arunachal Pradesh. This is important. Okay, Dibang is originate Mishmi Hills, eastern state of Arunachal Pradesh. Joins Lohit and Siang to form Brahmaputra. They can join with other two rivers, Lohit and Siang. Okay, they made Brahmaputra finally. Okay, importance, Dibang is multi-purpose dam is there. After that, Lohit river, it is also Tibet, it is also originate Tibet, flows through a eastern Arunachal Pradesh, joins Brahmaputra in Sadia, Lohit river. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Next, Dhansiri river. Dhansiri river. Okay, Dhansiri river, Nagaland, Assam. Okay, Nagaland, Assam. Okay, there is a Leasing Peak, Nagaland, flow through Dimpur, eastern Assam, tributary of Brahmaputra. It is important for Nagas agriculture, guys. Okay, Dhansiri river, Nagaland. Okay, yes. Meghalaya rivers. Meghalaya rivers. Okay, they are very short, rain-fed rivers with slopes. Okay, these names Meghalaya, guys. Meghalaya rivers, most important. Just you have to look into it. Okay, look into it. Umain is the Meghalaya river. Kainshi is, okay, Umanghat, okay, Simsang, are the Simsang is the clear tourism part of Meghalaya. Meghalaya is the beautiful place. There is a sanitation awards took place in Meghalaya, many villages, guys. Okay, yeah, these are the Meghalaya rivers. And Tripura rivers. Tripura is the one of the easternmost state. Okay, yeah, Tripura rivers are Gumti river most important, guys. Gumti river most important. Mahu, Haura. Okay, yeah, Haura. Mizoram also there certain rivers. Okay, Manipur are main rivers, which is Impal, Iril. These are the river. Nagaland, Dhansiri is the main river. Okay, Tiju are the main river. Take a screenshot, guys. Okay, yeah, guys, I am gonna explain tomorrow MCQs about these rivers. Okay, you have to take a screenshot where important, okay, PYQ questions. Okay, you have to take a screenshot. I will explain tomorrow, guys. Okay, this is the summary of all rivers. Most important, I am gonna explain tomorrow where Indus River and Eastern rivers. Okay, I hope you guys understand. Okay, thank you.